Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video from Back Ranch. My name is Daniel, and I will turn the radio a little bit down. The good thing is it's no music, and
a radio spot that actually makes you thirsty. How refreshing! New fruit splash beverages now participating McDonald's in Canada.
Yeah, like I said, welcome back to the channel. We have some news. I will give you an update on the farm, and yeah, let's start with the news. We do have another animal. It is her, our new livestock guardian dog, LGD, and I got her yesterday, and we are putting them together with the goats. Sorry, today it's a little bit windy and it's loud sometimes, but I'm doing my best to do a good video. Okay, here are the goats. There's the dog. So let's see how it works. I will leave her in here for another maybe 1, 2, 3 hours. Right now she's very good. She's not chasing the goats, and she's just being here and eating the goat food. Yeah, her name is Wendy, and that's Wendy's goats. Wendy's goats. Okay. Nothing changed with the pigs. There's our big boss. He's enjoying his lunch. Yeah, see, he's slurping all the water. And I'm still putting everything together, like food or feed and water. Then I'm getting a better result. Here are the little pigs. See? They're almost good to get their own pen. And mom is loud like usual. She's still giving milk. You can see it on the seats. And we had a lot of water coming in here, and that's the reason we have the pans full of mud. But that's not a problem for the pigs. You see, it's hot. It's getting hot, guys. Tomorrow, 28 degrees. I cannot believe it. 2 weeks ago, I was here freezing, and today and tomorrow, it's getting hot. Okay, here is Lilyface. Lilyface here is going back. She is eating her stuff like a pig. So, and the main thing is her hair is coming back. Oh, you cannot see it. Can you see it? Her hair is coming back. I am so grateful. So, yeah. We took the chickens, and the chicken got another chicken cube. I will show it to you guys shortly. Right now we're going to our Wendy. Where's Wendy? She's still in the corner. Hey, what are you doing there? Introduce yourself to the goats, not just laying in the corner and sleeping. Man, come here. Yeah. Okay. Let her in here for a while. Oh, I have to put this up. So our treatment started yesterday. That means the music. So it started yesterday. It was a good day for us, and we had a lot of whites, a lot of interest. A lot of people came in and said, "Hey, Daniel, how's it going?" This was the day yesterday. It was good. Thank you guys for coming. I enjoyed this day. May long weekend, we will have open farm day. That means free barbecue, petting zoo, having all day open for you guys. You can come we will have a shed. I think Celine and Melissa are doing some whites. They're doing trail rides for sure, but they will lead some horses and will. So now there is our new mini pony. She coming? She's coming. So come here. Her name is Violet. Violent. She is right now. She's 1 year and she will not grow anymore. That's for the barn. Oh wait. We got our rabbits in here. Right now we have 3. Let's furry rabbits. They will get an outside cage as well. That means they can go out, and overnight we will put them back in here. Don't listen to the music. Okay, let's give in 1 or 2 carrots. Okay. We open this up. I'm not opening up the long one because they're coming out. Now that means going in here, giving them the carrots. Say hey, have a good day. So our rabbits are flame shines, and they're getting a weight until 12 pounds, yeah, 6 kilograms, and we are selling those rabbits and we are butchering them. Yeah, some people like rabbit meat. Anyways, we are going to the horses. So yeah, like I said, we have a lot to do on this farm, and today I'm doing this fence here. This is a fence for the goats who can be outside with the dog, and people can come here and pet them and have a good time with the goats, like a petting zoo. So on the other side, on the other end of the goats, we will have ducks and geese and the chickens where we are going now. So I pounded all these posts in here, and I will mow it before. Maybe I will take you with me, but right now I have the posts and I just have to put around the fence around. So let's go to the chickens. So guys, welcome in the chicken house. I don't know where the bucket is for the food, but I can do it with the scoop. Here's our chicken food, and you can hear who's waiting for us. Oh. Let me in. Let me in. Come, no. So many chickens. And all of them are waiting for feed. Here's the bucket. That's the bucket. Yeah, let's get more feed in the bucket. It's pretty cool because I can close the door and don't have to take care of the chickens. And I'm doing the feed in here. One, two, and three. Come, chicos, chicos, chicos. Come. Come. I'm getting the other chickens later. They're like crazy. So I'm feeding the chickens twice a day. Man, you guys are crazy. Oh my goodness. Alright, looks like got all of them. What's going on with you? Food is on the other side. Go to the other side. Oh, there's the egg. There's one egg. More eggs? Do we have more eggs? Our production is very low, but they will get out and they will get the outline, the pasture going. So, do we have more? No more. Okay. One egg, 120 birds. That's not enough. Okay, let's give them some water, and then I'm getting out of here. Good. Okay, we have those water feeder right here. We need 5 gallons water for the chickens a day. So that means this will last for 1 day until tomorrow. It's a lot of water for some chickens. Always fighting about the food. Fighting for food is a freaking essential, I think. Here. Excuse me, let me pass. Yeah, we have a lot of chicken breeds in here. We have leghorns, silkies, and the other breeds, but my wife knows better than me about chickens. I know that we are getting meat birds, meat chicken, Cornish cross in 2 weeks, 75 I think, and then the month after we're getting another 50. We will raise them here on the fields and we'll see how big they will be. So yeah, that's our chickens. Crazy chickens. Huh? Yeah, the small ones. And some bigger ones. Who are you? Huh? And crazy ones. That's a crazy one, I think. And another crazy one. Oh, those white chickens, the pure white chickens. We got them from a chicken farm, from an egg farm. They were in little cages overnight. They were in little cages all day, and they had no feathers. Yeah, this is how you guys get your eggs from. When you're going to the supermarket and saying, "Hey, these eggs, they're cheap." This is where you're getting your eggs from. So now all our white cage hens got feathers again. We cut the nails and they are able to stay straight and run. And now they are just eating everything. So then we have a few smaller ones. They just hatched, I think, January, February. And a little bit older ones. Except the white ones. They are from the other farm, from the egg farm. Those ones. The other ones with color in it, like this dude. And those ones, the black ones, the brown ones, and all of those, they are hatched by us and on our farm with our chickens. Yeah, this one is nice, gray one. All right. Just eat your food and see you tonight when you're getting more. Those chickens are eating a lot. Yeah, I'm leaving. Bye, Chico. Bye bye. I'm leaving. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, Chicos. Bye bye. Huh. Nobody is waving back. That's okay. Let's start with the fence. Oh, Celine and her friend both are working on this farm. They will repaint the fence in the front. Maybe I can get some pictures of this too. And then we're almost done for the day. Yeah, because we have some coyotes. We have to secure the chicken coop a little bit better. Oh, okay. No, we're just doing this because. All right, let's start fencing. And I think Celine is riding, and what's her name? Today I called her Turtle. I forgot her name. Oh, Amy. Amy is doing riding as well, but later on they will do the fence. Painting, repainting. Oh yeah, There is a barn missing. I told you in the videos before that there was a fire in the barn and it collapsed. So company came out and took down all the scrap and all the garbage. This is what is left, and there's still ice and snow in it. I have to take it apart and bring it to the garbage. Alright, let's do the fence. Before we're doing the fence, we want to check our livestock guardian dog. The beast. No, Wendy. Where is she? Hey Wendy. Oh, here she is. Oh, she was watching the goats from here. You can stay here. You did everything right. Yeah? And I think she's good. Yeah. Okay, goats. How's your new friend? Hey, Mr. Goat. And one other thing. Hopefully you guys can remember the video where we banded the goats. Yeah. And the testicles from the goats fell off. I think last week or the week before, and we found them in here. Maybe I can show you the picture here. Yeah, it's not for everyone, eh? But castration success. Or do we have this radio on again? Okay, let's go out of here and leave the radio on. Nobody was listening to the radio, okay? So let me show you what I did. Okay, that's the entrance. Yeah. I am planning to have a gate here and a gate there that people can go in and the goats are not out. When you're opening up one gate, they are hopefully closing the gate behind them. Let's do it. Okay. Hey, I want to see the goats. Yeah, sure, go and see the goats and pet them and try to get them. Okay. Opening up first gate in, going in, closing the gate, and then opening up the next gate. Hi goats, I want to pet you. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, good. Let's see what I did. Yeah, I had a little bit help from a friend, so I posted in all the posts. After that, we took this wire and started here, went around, and until there where the other wire, where the other fence is laying around the wall. So, and we run out. I bought another one. You know, if you have goats, you have to run electrical fence. They will try to get out, and even if you have no power or not, they will try it again, and then we're going out. All right, this is our area. We stopped, we ran out of fence, said okay, call it a day. Here's another hole, same hole, and we have to do just this corner. Hopefully it's enough. So what kind of fancy tool do we need? A hammer, some of those stables, and this fancy thing. It's called I think Wise Grip. Wise Grip. That's a fancy tool. Thanks Martin. He showed me this tool and it's helping a lot. You can do stables, you can get out the stables again, you can cut here, there and there the fence, and you can hold it and tighten it. I would show you maybe with one hand, putting this on here, getting this, and then tied it up. Easy, easy peasy. So let's open up this wall. Super, Daniel got us open. Okay, here. Let's put one end in here. And we are starting rolling, rolling, rolling. Uh-oh. Yeah, now, some people will say, hey, it's wrong side. No, I know. But the big ends are coming into the top and the small ends going to the bottom. Always easier when you're doing this with two people, but you can do it by yourself. Easy going. But I don't want to show you the whole process of the fencing. I will do another short clip later on when we're doing the horses. So put you guys in the truck. See you in a second, or how do you say it? All right. Hey, guys, done with the fence. Okay. Like I said, Celine and Amy will do the fence painting. They're getting a new look, and here they are. Good job, ladies.
Thank you.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I'm good, because the fence is done. I know I told you that we are going to the horses, but we have to do it another time. So, fence. We are done with the fence. This is a, how do you call it, fear fence, I think. I started here and I ended here. No, that's not true. I started here and then I ended here. So, put the fence around all the way. So, and I put in the electric fence isolator, those ones. And after that I started here with my electric wire, went all the way around, all the way. So, and I ended here, came up, and then again all the way around, all the way, and now I'm here. And I connected it both, and now I have my electrical wire set up. That means I need a fencer. So I talked with my wife and we will put in a solar fencer yet now this week, and I will do a video of that. That's easy, just put it there, grounding, and connect it with the electrical fence. So for this video, I think we are done. I'm done. I'm going home. We're drinking a beer. I'm drinking a beer and then thinking about what else we can do on here. So let me show you what the ladies did. The little Celine with Amy. So they painted the first fence here beige. How do you like that? It looks better than before. They did a good job. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you don't mind, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell and like this video. Have a great week and see you next time.